Hey yo, what is good everybody? This is your boy Chad bringing y'all another video, man. Sorry about the lawnmower sounds. My dad's currently trying to get leaves up. But in this video, we're going to be installing this light bar for the actual Tesla Model 3. And the light bar will basically go up here like this. It'll sit up here like that, and yeah, it'll just be a light bar going across to add extra brake lights. Shout out to Devin from Hand Show. Not sure how to pronounce it, but shout out to him for sending this over to me. If you guys use the code CHADO, you'll get 23% off their entire site. And yeah, I'll link that out in the description. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get started with the installation. So first off, what you guys want to do is you just want to go ahead, lift up your actual Tesla actual thing. What I went ahead and did was, just to show you guys, let me bring you guys a little closer. All right, you guys, so right here, as you guys know, you have your under part that goes over here, which is this felt stuff. I went ahead and took it off because I was trying to figure out how to take it off, so when I record the video you guys will understand. But it has this part on first, so of course you have this on first. What you do is, I honestly just put my fingers up in here, pulled this off. Once this is off, you'll have this liner part. Now this liner part goes up underneath here like this, right? What you have to do is you put your fingers up in here, pull this part down first, and then you can just go along and unclip everything else. Now, since you have the button for the Tesla, what you have to do is when you pull this down, this will be connected. All you do is just pull the clip out and you're good, okay? On the bottom side, you have to take off the brake light, right? So on the bottom side, these screws that are right here, you will have to take these off to be able to get your brake light off, because you do have to take the brake light off. And you also want to unclip these. All you do is just push the red little pin in, unclip this on both sides. Yep, so you just pull the red clip down and you'll see it pop, and then you just pull it out. Inside the kit, they did give us this, and you're just gonna hook these up to it. All right, so there is also a screw right here that you want to take off, so you'll just go ahead and take that one off as well. Is this, so you unscrew this too. All right, so now we're going to actually take off the brake light. So I'm going to lower this just a little bit. Brake lights are out. All right, so now we're going to connect the actual clips to the car. It's power source, as you guys can see. So we're going to plug that into there. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. All right guys, so next I'm going to use my alcohol as well as my cloth and clean this off so we can have good adhesion when I put on the actual tail light. All right. All right, so now I'm gonna try to put the light bar on. You're just going to remove the 3M tape, and once you remove the 3M tape, You're gonna line it up. You're gonna leave a little bit of space on each end. All right, so there is a hole on this. You're gonna pass this up through here. Then you're gonna put it into this hole. And you're gonna do the same on both sides here. So we're gonna take this, come up through here, pass it through the hole. Then if I lift up the car, we're gonna take this, I'm just gonna plug that in. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Even though this one's kind of chewed up, it's plugged in. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the tail light back on, the other lights, the actual tail lights back on. And once the tail lights are on, we're gonna connect the originals to this. Cool. So it should look like this. So the tail light's in. All right, so once you're done with that step, you're going to put back on all the screws. So I'm going to now put back on the screws, and then I'm gonna connect the power source and show you guys from there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect this to the original power source. And we're going to put all this stuff up in here. So you can tilt it up in here. I'll show you guys a close-up look on this side. So we're going to connect the power source here. The clip's right here. That doesn't come down. All right. And then we're gonna push all of this up in here, just like so. All right, guys. So I went ahead. I don't know if it was recording or not, but I put back on the felt after, and then I put this part back on. I think I accidentally broke the little clip when I first took it off, so I'm gonna probably order a new one of these. But everything is done now. This is what it looks like with the thing closed. And now I just gotta turn it on to see how it works. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. As you can see, the brake light here, well, it's not really a brake light. They call it the light bar, but I'm gonna call it the brake light. I think it looks really nice. Shout out to Devin and shout out to Hand Show for actually sending this over. I'll put the link to it in the description. Like I said, you guys, use code CHADO for 23% off for this actual light, as well as anything else on their site. Step on it one more time, Zah. Yep. So use code CHADO and you'll get 23% off. Link down in the description. Thank you guys for watching once again. I hope you guys see how to install this. And yeah, it's been your boy Chad, and I'm out. Peace.